Good morning, students. Yesterday we have seen that first use of potentiometer as well as principle of potentiometer. Now, first use of potentiometer is to compare the EMF of two cells by using potentiometer when two cells are used separately. This method is called as separate method. This is the laboratory experiment also. You will have to perform the experiment in the laboratory for the comparison of EMF of two cells by separate method, as well as second method which we have to study today. This method is called as sum and difference method. So, what is that is second method? Second method by which we can find the ratio of EMF of two cells. This method is called as sum and difference method. What is sum method and what is difference method? In case of sum method, how we can connect two cells together so that by the combination of two cells it gives sum of EMF. And in case of difference method, how we can connect two cells together so that it gives difference of EMF of two cells. So, it is found that for sum method, for sum of EMF of two cells, we connect these two cells having different EMF, say E1 and E2, such that the negative terminal of first cell is connected to the positive terminal of second cell. Due to this combination of two cells, we get new cell, we get third cell having certain EMF, and this EMF of third cell is found to be equal to the sum of EMF of two cells. Therefore, this method is called as sum method. That is, in this case, even with the EMF of first cell, every cell consists of two electrode, positive electrode and negative electrode, and E2 with the EMF of second cell. These two cells are connected together such that the negative terminal of first cell is connected to positive terminal of second cell. Due to this combination of two cells, we get new cell having EMF is found to be equal to the sum of EMF of two cells. Therefore, this method is called as sum method. In sum method, the EMF of resultant cell is always greater than the EMF of individual cell. This is sum method. Because in sum method, E1 and E2, these two cells supply electric current through the electrical circuit along the same direction, hence the EMF of resultant cell is the sum of EMF of two cells or individual cell. This is that is when both the cells are assist each other. This is assist combination. When both the cells are assist each other, they gives sum of EMF of two cells. While in case of difference method, this difference method, because how we can connect these two cells together so that it gives difference of EMF of two cells. So in case of difference method, these two cells are connected together such that the negative terminal of both the cells are connected to a single point, or positive terminal of both the cells are connected to single point due to this combination of two cells. In this way, if I connect these two cells together such that negative terminal of both the cells are connected to one common terminal, or positive terminal of both the cells are connected to a single common terminal, then due to this combination of two cells, there is formation of new cell having EMF is found to be equal to the difference of EMF of two cells, and such that if E1 is greater than E2, if E1 is greater than E2, in this way we connect these two cells together such that negative terminal are connected to one of the common terminal, or positive terminal also connected to one common terminal. Due to this combination of two cells, they gives the resultant cell having EMF is found to be equal to the difference of EMF of two cells, because in this combination of two cells, these two cells are oppose each other, because both the cells supply electric current to this electrical circuit are exactly opposite in direction. Because in the figure we have seen that this E1 cell supply electric current in this direction, E2 cell supply electric current in this direction, and these two currents are oppositely directed, or positive terminal, this E1 cell supply electric current in this direction, E2 cell supply electric current in this direction, again these two currents are oppositely directed. Hence, this method is called as difference method, or when both the cells are oppose each other, if negative terminal of both the cells are connected to single common terminal, single point, or positive terminal of both the cells are connected together at single common terminal, then it gives the difference of EMF of two cells. In this way, we connect these two cells together in the potentiometer circuit. This method is a sum and difference method. By using this sum and difference method, we have to find the ratio of EMF of two cells, that is we have to find E1 by E2, E1 by E2 by this method. For this purpose, first we have to make electrical connection. If we have to perform the experiment of potentiometer for the comparison of EMF of two cells by sum and difference method, first we have to make electrical connection with this potentiometer. The electrical connections are made as shown in the figure. The electrical connection for the comparison of EMF of two cell by sum and difference method is that AB with a long potentiometer wire having finite length is connected in series with battery eliminator, plug key and rheostat, by which we can pass steady electric current through this circuit, through this potentiometer circuit. This is the primary circuit. This is the primary circuit. This is primary. सेकेंडरी सर्किट जो रहता उसमें अपने को निकालना है, जो कुछ फाइंड करना है वो सेकेंडरी सर्किट में रहता है. दैट इज वी कॉल्ड एज आउटपुट सर्किट. इनपुट सर्किट, एवरी सर्किट कंसिस्ट ऑफ टू टाइप्स ऑफ सर्किट, इनपुट सर्किट एंड आउटपुट सर्किट. सो दैट दिस इज the electrical connection for the comparison of EMF of two cells by sum and difference method is that the potentiometer wire AB is connected in series with battery eliminator A, plug key K and rheostat, by which we can pass steady current through different branches of the electrical circuit. This is the primary circuit. Now, the cell of which we have to find the ratio of EMF of two cells are connected by sum method and difference method. The sum method and difference method, we have to make electrical connection with these two cells with the help of reversing key. This is the reversing key or four-way key. Four-way key 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that while performing the experiment there is use of reversing key. Reversing key. ये reversing key रहती. इन दिस वे. तो जब आपको पोटेंशियोमीटर का एक्सपेरिमेंट करना है तो सेकेंडरी सर्किट के में जितने भी सेल रहते होंगे उसके जो पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल है, सभी पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल आर ऑलवेज कनेक्टेड टू वन एंड ऑफ द पोटेंशियोमीटर वायर. वन एंड मीन्स पॉजिटिव एंड ऑफ द पोटेंशियोमीटर वायर. ए पॉजिटिव है, ए एंड इज द पॉजिटिव एंड, इसको भी पॉजिटिव आएगा, बाकी सभी इसमें पॉजिटिव आएगा. तो इन दिस वे दिस इज द फोर-वे की. नाउ even cell is connected to the positive terminal connected to A point of the A end of the potentiometer wire, while negative terminal is connected to one of the point of reversing key, that is first point, while third point of the reversing key, third point of the reversing key is connected to a sliding contact jockey J, which can slide on the potentiometer wire AB through center zero galvanometer, by which we can observe zero deflection, while the fourth point and this is second point, between 4 and second point of the reversing key you connect a second cell in this way. So in this way first you make electrical connection with this potentiometer. Now method to perform the experiment. Now initially Now initially you switch on the primary circuit. This is the primary circuit. How you can switch on? Now initially close the key K in the circuit and adjust the rheostat so that we can pass steady current through different branches of the electrical circuit. Now you make the contact of first point with third point. यह ऐसा कांटेक्ट किया अपन ने. समझो यहाँ प्लग की है, इसको K1 बोलेंगे, ये फर्स्ट पॉइंट को K1 बोलेंगे, इसको K2 बोलेंगे, इसको K3 बोलेंगे, इसको K4 बोलेंगे. ऐसा समझो, ये गैप है इसमें, ये K1 और K3. पहले इसको कनेक्ट किया अपन ने. नाउ फर्स्ट you make the contact of first point 1 to 2, sorry, a first point that is K1 key and K3 key है. की से आपको समझेगा और रिवर्सिंग की से ये ऐसा आएगा. ये थर्ड पॉइंट है अपना, ये फर्स्ट पॉइंट है, ये ऐसा कांटेक्ट होगा, ऐसा. फर्स्ट और थर्ड नहीं, ऐसा नहीं. अच्छा, a K1, K2, K3, K4, these are the 4 keys, 4-way key we can use. In place of reversing key we can use 4-way keys. So that now initially after switch on this primary circuit, then you close the key K1 in the circuit and K3 in the circuit. Now close the key K1 and K3 in the circuit. Then it is found that अब इसका कांटेक्ट हो गया, ये इसका कांटेक्ट हो गया, ऐसा. ये क्लोज किया तो इसका कांटेक्ट हो गया और इसका कांटेक्ट हो गया 3 का.